Now the next question that comes to my mind, like, okay, I understood that on rubbing one body with the another body, one body acquires the positive charge, the other body acquires the negative charge. But why only A body got positive and B body got negative? Or from where these negative and positive charges arises? To understand this, let us got to know about the origin of charges. Origin of charges. Now look, we know that any body or any known living is made up of an atom. Now, how atoms like these are made up of number of atoms? Am I right? Now, any one atom is been of this kind, like inside nucleus, where proton and neutrons are there, and outside electrons are there in the shells. In the shells. Now, protons and neutrons, whom we call nucleons, are bound by nuclear forces, and these are the strongest of all. And this positive charge attracts this negative by a force known as electric force or electric force. But this force is not very strong. These forces, the nuclear forces, are the strongest of all. Now, what happens when you rub something with the other thing? There arises a force of friction. Now, to overcome that force of friction, to move the body away, you have to apply some energy from outside, some force from outside, some energy from outside. Now, what that energy does? That exactly breaks this force of attraction and allows this electron to come out. Actually, this minimum energy which is required to remove the outermost electron is known as work function. What we call it as work function. It means work function is something which determines that how much energy is required to remove the loosely bound or outermost electron. If work function of that body is less, then energy required to remove the outermost electron is less, and if work function is more, then energy required will be more. Now same is the case over here. When I rubbed A with B, the work function of A is less, so it is very easy to remove the electron from A, and on the other hand the work function of B is more, so it becomes tough or hard to remove the electron, so it accepts the electron and ultimately it got negative charge. The other body removes the electron, loses the electron, and got a positive charge. That's it. Thank you.